Greeting of the day. Hello, sir, ma'am. I am Narendra Sanjay Kulkarni. I am 20 years old. I am from Ratha. I have completed my BSc in Hospitality Studies from Magarpatta College of Hospitality Management, Pune. I have completed my industrial training from Fairmont Hotel Jaipur in Food and Beverage Service, Food Production, and Front Office Department, and also work as Cluster In Charge, Ranoso, 10 City, Gujarat. As USA is known for the best hospitality industry of the world, it will give me a good international experience. I will work in one of the finest hotels of America, which will improve my F&B skills and personal skills. It will be a dynamic opportunity for me and my future career. After returning to India, I would like to be with the major hotel brands and give the best to that hotels. Thank you for watching.